A very good morning, my dear students. I hope that you all are good and taking good care of yours. Myself Vicky sir, and I am going to teach you computer subject. So here in the last session we are discussing about hardware computer and also about hardware components. So what is hardware computer? Hardware computer means what? A parts of computer that are outside of a computer, and that's part of computer we can easily touch. So any part of computer we can directly touch them, that is a hardware component of a computer. Okay, so there are lots of different parts of hardware component. So we will starting with the input devices. So here are the some example of input devices. First, we all aware about the keyboard, right? Whatever data that will be input into a computer, that can be done with the help of keyboard. So it is a one part of hardware component. Then second one is a mouse that can be show arrow on a computer display, that is also part of hardware computer. Then third one is a scanner, which is used for getting any type of copy into a computer. If we want to input any type of copy into a computer, it can be done by with the help of scanner. Okay, now there are different example of hardware component. First one is joystick, and we all aware about the joystick. It is mainly used for playing video games. It is used for change the position with the help of cursor. It is mainly used in playing video games, and it is used for change the position with the help of cursor. Here is a picture of joystick. You can say here is a center part, that is a one button on them, that is a cursor, right? So joystick are popularly used for playing video games, that we know. Now the second one is light pen. A light pen is also an input device. This light pen is similar like as our ball pen. It is similar look like as our ball pen, but there is a difference is only they have a one visual display unit, and with the help of that visual display unit they can directly draw or point to the object onto a computer screen. Okay, got it? So here is a light pen. Now the third one is a microphone. Microphone is the most important part of a computer, because with the help of microphone we can recording our voice and show into on a monitor display. Okay, microphone is used to input sound into a computer, right? We aware about that. It is used for recording our voice and directly they show on a computer display, right? Now the fourth one is a graphic tablet. A graphic tablet is an input device. It is used to draw images and pictures on the computer screen in a similar way as you draw a picture with a pencil or a paper, right? We know that nowadays if we want to show any copy onto a computer, then we will done with the work. But scanner is not done all the work. There is some of the work that cannot be done by scanner. That work can be do with the help of graphic tablet. For example, if we go to a RTO office for making our license, so in that condition we must be need our perfect hard copy signature, and this perfect hard copy signature is done with the help of graphic tablet. So it consists of a flat surface on which a user can draw using a pen like drawing device called stylus. Whatever they draw with the help of that pen is called a stylus. Okay, now the fourth one is barcode reader. We all aware about the barcode reader. A barcode reader is an input device which used to read barcode in any type of product. If we purchase any type of product, in the bottom part or the behind part there is a one barcode sticker which have a thick pattern. A barcode is a pattern printed in a lines of a different thickness that can be seen on many products, right? Why barcode we used? With the help of barcode we will getting the information about the product, like prices of product, like name of that product, like quality of that product, and also about quantity of that product, like size of that product. So different type of information we will getting by scanning of a barcode. So it is also important part as a hardware component, right? Now the the next one is touch screen. The next one is a touch screen. Now you all are watching my session, right? So you are watching my session with the help of mobile, right? So mobile phone is also a touch screen, right? It is also a touch screen. So touch screen is a very sensitive part. It is a very sensitive part that can be display screen, that can also act as an input device. Whatever we display on a touch screen, that can be done with the help of our fingers. So it is easy to use and are often found in public places such as ATMs, ticket collection terminals and airports, right? Touchscreen is easy to use because you know that we all aware that in nowadays only 1 to 2 years small child also run this touchscreen mobiles. Okay, so it is a very easy to use and it is mainly used at ATMs, ticket collection terminals and airports, right? Now the last one is MICR. MICR stands for Magnetic Ink Character Recognition. Have you seen a check ever? This is a check, and here is a bottom part having, in a bottom part of a check there is a different type of numbering, and this numbering is a one type of code which will be given by a bank. This code is a given by a bank, and in this code that can be written by a special ink, and that ink is called a magnetic ink. That ink is called a magnetic ink, and whatever this code is scanned, that is a recognition character. This is a one machine that can be shown in a picture. That is a recognition machine that can scanning this magnetic ink character. That's why it is called a magnetic ink character recognition. It is specific type of device used in process check in banks, right? It is mainly used in banks. Okay, so now we all are aware about the different type of hardware components, right? So if you have any query regarding this hardware component, then please feel free to ask me. Okay, so now we ending our session here. Okay, bye bye.